Alright, this is not how to run a downspout. So I wanted to do a couple videos in downspouts for you guys. Seems like I'm getting a lot of questions in the comment section. So, alright, so this is perforated pipe. Yes, this was what was ran here. You don't want to do this because, let me show you. You see these little holes in the perforated pipe? Even though this is garbage pipe, the roots are going to fill from the shrub right here. So that was here, and I'll show you how we do it. Okay, so this is a vent and a clean out. Both. So it vents, that's why we don't use a cap. We use a grate that snaps in. And then you could take just a screwdriver, slide it in there. It pops out super easy. And you can feed your garden hose down there and help get that shingle gravel if you're worried. A lot of people sleep better at night. Now this here is a riser. And this riser is however tall it needs to be. And then we have our yellow virgin pipe after that. So let me show you. And we're going to tie two together over here. So that's, you guys already got that buried. Then we come up over here. Notice how the riser's not as tall here. So when we ship these out, we have the gutter adapter with a riser meant to where you can just take a hacksaw and cut it down to size. And here we go, another vent clean out. Works great. So we're wiring these two together because the amount of roof water that each one of them is responsible for doesn't overwhelm the 4-inch pipe. 4-inch pipe's 240 gallons per minute, and I have that short run and one equivalent to it on the other side, and we're only handling first story water, no second story water in it. Now I want to show you this other riser. Well, there is none. You can see right there, didn't need a riser. And then we have the vent clean out. Now, I've had guys call me and say, hey, the water doesn't go through, because they stand here with a garden hose trying to clean it out by splashing water on the grate. Then water ends up splashing all over the place. Most of it's not going to go in the grate, of course. So I just have to cover every single detail. That grate has to be popped out. You have to snap it out so you can go ahead and put the garden hose through. So then we tile tape the fitting, because that's the only place it can leak, and you want to make sure that no shrubbery, you know, the roots, you don't want the roots to get in it. And you go with solid, not perforated. Now, a lot of people see my videos when I'm doing downspouts and they say, where's the fabric? Where's the stone? This is not a French drain. This is a downspout system. All right, guys, until the next video.